TP Nation. Hey, good afternoon. It's Saturday now, April the 24th. We are here. Charles and I, we received our new lights for our deck. Yeah. Hey, before we do a demo, before we do our open box of our lights for the deck, TP Nation, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Come on, Charles. Tell everybody hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. All right, come back, Charles. So today we are doing an open box on our new lights. They're called Ground Solution. Ground Solutions. You can buy them from Amazon. We got a lot of lights. We got, they're called the Ground Solutions. Item number is PL244B. PL244B. B, that's right. PL244B by Amazon. And they're 4x4s for our poles here on our deck. So we're going to do an open box now to let you see what our new lights look like.
Let's open them up.
Open them up?
Yeah.
All right. Charles says to open them up. I hope that everybody's having a wonderful day today. Here in South Carolina, it's overcast. It's supposed to rain 100%. It did rain for about 2 hours, then it stopped raining. So here are our lights. Charles, look at these.
Yo!
You like these, Charles?
I think we got two.
Yep, we have two. So I want to let y'all check these out. These are
Lights.
the PL244Bs by Ground Solutions. Ground Solution. So let's take them out of the box. So Charles, you're having a good day today?
No.
You're not having a good day? And they are solar lights. They are solar lights.
Let's open them. Got it? What?
Because my deck posts are white, I decided to go with black as just to change up the game a little bit, because the center posts are white and the railing is black. So I kind of wanted this to be a matchup. They are solar. So we're going to take them and you can screw them in. Sometimes some of your solar lights will have a little button on the bottom of them as a turn on light, but I don't see that on the bottom of these. I just see relightable. So I'm not thinking that it has a turn on or turn off button, but we'll take these and put them on the post and let y'all see what they look like.
Okay.
Real windy outside today.
Yeah, there's another one.
It's really windy. It was raining a little bit. We need to screw these down, Charles.
Yeah, see that written in
Use
it.
the black screws. I'm going to use black wood screws to put them down.
Dun, dum, dun, 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 dun.
All right, we're going to put them everywhere here. Since y'all watching the channel, please go ahead on and click the like button and comment and subscribe to our channel. Here, Charles, take this box, put it on the ground for Daddy. This box too on the ground for Dad. TP Dad. I ordered, I think, 16 lights. Our chickens are down there. Uh-oh, I'm kicking the camera around. Here, Charles. Put this on here for Daddy.
Okay.
Take the plastic off and put it on for Dad. There you go. Good job, big
I'm
boy.
strong, baby.
Yeah, you're strong. That's right. You are strong. All right. Our baby chicks are down there.
Yeah, baby. See that?
All right. Let's go ahead on. We're gonna put some more in.
Yeah. Jesus. There's more boxes.
Yeah, we got more.
Yeah, more boxes.
Charles, grab the trash off the ground, son.
Okay.
You have to clean up all the time. Whenever you put things down, you have to clean up, Charles. Yeah, you got to clean up.
Yeah, I got some boom. I got put right there.
Now I do see it. Something says about an on and off switch, so we may have to.
Good.
Take this loose. Don't do that.
It's good.
Okay, I do see a button that says on the instructions here. As you can see, we put one there.
You put right there.
All on our deck. We're going to put some more. They are the PL244B, made by Ground Solutions. You can get this off of Amazon. We're going to go ahead and put some more on here so you can see.
Okay.
All right,
I'll take a lot.
we're going down and we're going to put one on here. I'm going to have to come back and screw these. We're going to screw them in.
How you open it?
How do you open it? You have to pull the little box apart.
You got one. You got one.
All right, so this is what our deck looks like now with the lights on top of them.
The last one.
Here's the last one for now.
Yeah, certificate.
This is the last one. All right, so this is what our deck looks like now with our lights. We've got lights on the deck so far.
Yep.
How do you like them, Charles? Do you like them?
I'll take that one and that one.
Do you like the lights, Charles? You do? You like them? Tell the people you like the lights. Look at the lights.
I like the lights.
You like them?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Look.
I know some plastic flew off the deck. We got to get it. So here are the lights on our deck. I'm going to have to probably look at the instructions real quick. Look at the instructions to make sure our boxes fell over.
Oh, man.
So, yeah.
No. The more boxes.
I know it's more boxes, son.
You give me the more than it.
I know, son, there's more boxes. We got more lights. We got more things to put up.
Yeah.
Pick all the stuff I'm put in here.
That is here.
Come on, be my big helper.
Yeah,
Be a big helper.
Look. It's broken.
I know, son. Those are screws. We're not going to use those. We're going to use our black screws because the back of it is black and we want it to kind of match up.
Did you have to do it later?
Yeah, we'll do it later.
Okay.
But we're going to look at the instructions. Instruction says there's a solar powered on and off switch, high powered, bright LED, rechargeable, turns on and off.
Okay.
Now, I don't see an on and off switch in here. Unless I've got to. Oh, okay. Here it is. You got to take it apart. You got to take it apart.
Apart.
That's what you have to do. You got to take it apart. Turn the on switch right there on the inside.
Whoa, okay.
You take that apart. You turn the on and off switch.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay. And you put it back on.
Yeah, baby.
So you got to be able to take it off like that.
Yeah, baby.
So you take them off, and under the bottom, you take the light apart, and there's your on and off switch right there. So you turn it on, then you put the cap back on it. So TP Nation, we want to say thank y'all for tuning in today, to checking us out, to me and TP son, TP Charles on the homestead, adding some of our 4x4 lights to our deck. Y'all, give me a comment. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you think I did a good job by picking the black ones versus the white. I know the white would probably show off more, but we just wanted to contrast the color because our deck is brown and white and black. And so we want to just make sure that we were contrasting well with the color. So y'all let me know. Tell me what you think about it. Hey, I pray that you all have had a marvelous day thus far. Remember, I always try to give y'all some form of a positive word, a positive outlook. So, I want to share something with y'all today. This morning, it was my plan to get up early, get outside and work in the yard. I had already had my employees ready to come over and do some work. We were going to clean the yard up. And I watch this now. The weatherman had said that it was going to rain 100% all day today. All day it was going to rain. And so, you know, when I got up this morning, I looked outside, there's no rain. All the way up to almost 12 o'clock, there's no rain. I said, you know what? I'm going to get some work done today because it's not going to rain. I'm going outside. I left my home. As soon as I picked up the first guy that's going to work for me, it started to rain. And I said, you know what? Maybe God just wants me to relax today. Because when at the mere moment that it was not going to rain, I wasn't doing anything. But the moment I started to plan and do some work, that's when the rain started. And I got to thinking, maybe I just need to take a break, sit around the house, and just chill and work. And sometimes God has to tell us that it's time for you to take a break, time to just relax, time to stop focusing on work. Work will be here after you're gone. Take time to enjoy you. Take time to just get out of the house and just go get a cup of ice cream with some sprinkles on it, or go get a donut, or just go do something fun for you. Can I tell you, many people don't do anything for themselves. They're always doing for other people. But can I tell you, you have to do self-care. You have to love you enough to do for you. Because watch this, nobody loves you like you do. So guess what? Go enjoy your day. I just wanted to get out here to show these lights, but I'm not doing any work, I promise you. Because every time that I come outside and say that I'm going to do some work, it starts to rain. As soon as I go in the house, the sun comes out. I hear you, God. I hear what you're saying. Take a break for today. So I want to encourage y'all, take a break for today. Enjoy yourself. Push the work back. The work will be there. Go enjoy yourself. Have a marvelous weekend. Know that me and Charles, we love you, and there's nothing that you can do about it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We pray that we've been blessing you through these videos thus far and the encouraging word. Hey, greater is coming your way. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. Say what, Charles?